Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and I wanted to give you some really quick updates on the channel and some things that are going on that I think are really important for this community. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to plug my event, which is called SpinUp. It is happening September 12th, and it's coming up very soon. It's going to be online because of COVID and such this year. We wanted to make sure everyone could attend and people who couldn't travel would be able to watch. So we're going to live stream it from here in this studio. We're going to have it set up with social distancing. I'm going to have Ken Heron. I'm going to have Ken Dono, who is Original Dobo. I'm going to have Droner, who is Brennan. I'm going to have Chris Rollins. They're all going to be here. We're going to have multiple desks set up with social distancing in place so that we can all be in the same room, or some of us be in the same room at the same time and still keep enough distance to make it safe and all that. But it's going to be a ton of fun. And it's free to watch on Ready Set Drone. So on September 12th at 10 a.m. Central Time, SpinUp will begin and you can watch it. But if you want to win any of these prizes from DJI, from Emacs, from the DRL, the Drone Racing League, from Remote Pilot 101, these prizes are all going to be available to ticket holders. So if you've bought a ticket already, you're already in the running for winning one of these prizes. And so go to spinup2020.com and you can see all of the different levels of tickets. There's only two actually, but then there's also the option to watch for free. But if you want to be entered to win one of these prizes, and there's going to be more prizes, these are kind of the highlights that you're seeing right now. They will be shipped directly to the winners. You can win international. We'll ship them international. If you're in a different country outside of the US or North America, we'll ship it to you, no problem. So if you want to win one of these prizes and support this event, please go buy a ticket at spinup2020.com. Now, the last thing I wanted to talk about was something that's a little bit of a side project I did. If you have a YouTube channel and you're interested in growing that YouTube channel, I hope you will consider checking out a class that I did about how to grow your YouTube channel successfully. I started this in 2014, and there's so many things I wish I had known and done differently in 2014 that would have made me grow faster and be a bigger channel, honestly, today. I have no regrets about it, but I want to share that information with you. So if you are starting a YouTube channel, or if you already have one and you're in the growth phase and you're trying to get bigger, this class will really help you out. It's 3 hours, and it's basically all the lessons I learned since 2014 in doing a YouTube channel and how to get people's attention, build a community, get views, monetize, all that good stuff. So if you're into YouTube, that's what I would suggest. Oh, and finally, one last thing that I wanted to mention. I am having a contest right now for folks who are musicians or musically inclined. I wrote a song called Ready Set Drone, Don't Fly Alone.
Ready set drone, spin up your props and plug in your phone. Fly with us and we think you'll agree. Ready set drone, what's the point of flying it alone? Flying with friends will make you feel so free.
You may know it if you watch this channel, you may not, but I am giving away a Mavic Air 2 for the winner of this contest, and it's basically the best cover, as decided by the audience, of the song. I have a few entries, but not very many at this point, so your odds statistically of winning if you entered a song are pretty good right now. So all you have to do is send your song to contest@readysetdrone.com. Send me a link to a Dropbox or a Hightail or a Google Drive or whatever. It can be a video of your song. You can put it on YouTube, put it as unlisted and send it to me, or you can put it into one of those other storage areas. But it needs to be a cover of the song. I've got the lyrics and the chords down below, and we are going to announce that winner during SpinUp on September 12th. So I need those songs in. If you want to enter to win the Mavic Air 2, you can do that by entering a song, the Ready Set Drone song, any style you want. Make it funky, make it hardcore, make it rap, make it country, whatever. I've got all kinds of different genres already, and I'm excited to hear what you come up with. You could do a cappella if you wanted to. I'd love to hear it. It would be a lot of fun to do as a project, and again, the prize is pretty good. It's a Mavic Air 2. So if you're interested in that, please send your link to the song to contest@readysetdrone.com.